In this video, I unbox a sugar level checking machine. So friends, let's get started. If you love this video, then like this video. Please subscribe my channel and watch this video till end. So friends, let's unbox the sugar level checking machine. So friends, there is some information in the box, and in front there is an actual image of the product and some specifications. Friends, now I open the box. So friends, then when I open the box, there is inside also one plastic box and some documentations. So friends, let's see the box and documentations also. So friends, this is a user manual and warranty card. So I put these both user manuals aside and now talk about the box. So friends, in box there is a Dr. Moripon Gluco 1 is printed, and the whole box is made up of plastic. So when I open the box, there is three products: a sharp tip pen, a box, and a monitor. In a cylinder shaped box, there is some tips for our blood, and we have to put that tips on the machine. After that, there is one pen. Is uh, this pen is very hard to open. So yes, this pen is of white color. There is the branding of Dr. Moripon. I will leave a link of a video how to use this product. So after that, there is one monitor machine. This machine comes with a plastic body, and there is a branding of Dr. Moripon in front of this machine. This machine works on a battery which we can reassemble, and we can also buy this battery from our market. So friends, if you have to buy this machine, then this machine is available online in Flipkart and Amazon. In also you can buy this machine from any medicine store. So friends,
Working on a weekend like usual.